How to create a landing page in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you how to do this by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to create a funnel in HighLevel. Question number two, how to actually add a page to a funnel in HighLevel. And question three, how to actually make that landing page live in HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my HighLevel demo account. You may end up on something like Launchpad or Dashboard when you get into your sub account for the first time if you have never been in one before. If you have, you probably know where to go to get to funnels, which is under Sites. So we're going to head over to Sites. Then under Sites, we're going to click on this blue button that says New Funnel. And from here, we can either choose a template or we can create one from scratch. So if you want, you can browse templates, pick one, modify it, and that might be the best bet for you if you've never done anything inside of HighLevel before, or specifically don't have much knowledge or expertise using the editor to build pages. However, I'm going to do it the quote-unquote hard way for you because I think it's actually the best way specifically for you to learn how to actually get the most usage and the most value out of HighLevel. So we're going to create from blank, give it a name. We'll just call this landing page funnel for fun. You can name it whatever you want. You can rename it later. Click create. And then once this funnel has been created, it's going to bring us to our funnel and show us steps, stats, sales, security, events, and settings. And we see funnel steps and it says add new step. So this is where we're going to add our page under step. So we're going to click on that blue button. We're going to give it a name. We're just going to call it landing page. We can give it a path if we wanted to, like / landing page or lander, or we could leave it blank and let it just make a default page name for us. If we wanted to, we could import one from ClickFunnels. If we have the ClickFunnels URL, we could do that by adding it here. And we'll click create funnel step. Once we click funnel step, our funnel will be created, and then we have another choice. We can either use existing or create from blank. So I'm going to go the create from blank route because, again, I want to show you the power of HighLevel and how to do stuff from scratch. So we'll click create from blank. It's going to open up the editor now for the page itself. And the first things first, it's going to slide this open and show you add a section because you have to have a section. The way pages are built, they're built by sections, then rows, then columns, then elements. So we need to start with a section. We can choose whatever width we want. Typically I go full width because everything scales appropriately based on size of screen, including mobile. So we'll go full width, and then we would add a row. So here we might just add a 1 column or a 2 column, depending on what you want at the top. Maybe you don't want anything at the top. That will totally depend on how you design your landing page. So we'll do 1 column row, and then here we'll have something like most likely a headline. So we'll add headline, and then you would type in your headline here. And then the next section, I would probably leave only a headline inside of the first section, including maybe a subheadline. So if you want to add a subheadline, you could do that by clicking the plus button and clicking subheadline, and you can do spacing and everything else on the right hand side. I'm not going to get into all that here right now. And then we would probably add another section, do full width, and then do another maybe either 1 column or 2 column. In this case, maybe it's going to be 2 column. We might have a video and then some text or something along those lines. So we might do it just like this, where we put a video in the left. So we'll add a video. And then on the right, we might have more text, or we might have bullets or something like this. So we might have, probably would have another blurb of text, I would say. So probably a paragraph. So we'll add paragraph. And then it's very small, and so I am going to format this just so it looks a little bit better and how you would actually want to view it on screen. Probably make it 24 point at least. And then it's up to you if you want to make it left justified or centered. I typically would go with left justified and have my text in here. And then down below this section, we might add another section, full width. And then this could be possibly 2 column or 1 column as well, totally up to you and how you want to design it. Let's go 2 column, and then we might have maybe some sort of image on this side. So let's just put an image element in there for now. It's a placeholder. And then on this side we might do something like bullet list, right? And so in the bullet list, again, I might make it a little bit bigger. You can change the actual colors, of course, the icon, the check mark, etc. and we just click enter to add another one, and so we could just have here's more stuff. And then the spacing's tight here, and I don't like that by default, so I would expand over here and go to line height, and I would make it at least 1.5. Probably at least that, or I made it 1.4 by accident. Let's make it 1.5. There you go. And I would just add my bullet points there. And then, of course, you would need a call to action button somewhere. So likely you would have one, added probably perhaps right underneath here under the text. So we might put a quick button in here. Let's do button. And again, I would put some text to it. And this might originally, it's going to be set to a button action open pop-up, which is behind my mug in the corner. And then we would have a pop-up come up, and then in this pop-up we would have one column, probably do it's a one column row, and then we would add possibly a headline again, and then we might have a sub headline, and we might have some text or something, and then we would probably have a form, right? And then we have to pick our form when this doesn't cover creating a form, but you would have a form, and you would put your form in here to allow somebody to submit their information on a landing page, whether or not you were giving them something of value. You preferably would do that in order to get in exchange for their name, email address, phone number. However, you can just build this page first and then decide what all these things are going to be later. So that would be pop-up, and then with the pop-up settings, you can click on that. You can edit all the settings on it as well, and you can make it so it automatically pops up upon trying to exit the page, or if they only click the button, however you want to do that. And then we'd save it. Click save, and you can add SEO metadata if you want. And if you're ready to really publish it, you would click publish. And then if you click publish, it may prompt you like this: select a domain. You would have to select a domain to put it under in order for it to be live. If you don't want to do it here right now, of course, you can just save it. Then you can go back. And when you come back out of here, you can go to settings. And then under settings, you can go to domain and select the domain you want to assign it to, and then save it. And that save button's behind my video in the corner too. And then you can also just remove it if you don't want it, but that's how you can make it live, and that's how you would build a landing page in HighLevel. So I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. As always, if you have any further questions regarding any of this, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines A.I, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines A.I SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines A.I. actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines A.I. at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.